Hi, I'm the herb guy, talking St. John's wort. It's one of the most popular herbs on the planet. St. John's wort is often considered a mental health herb and is one of the most prescribed medicinal herbs in the world. And yes, I said prescribed, like by a doctor. The reason is St. John's wort has a unique property among herbs. It actually changes the chemical structure of your brain, allowing the brain to more efficiently produce compounds such as serotonin, dopamine, norepinephrine, norepinephrine, and GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid. You know, the feel-good chemicals. It's used to treat depression, anxiety, stress, insomnia, ADHD, and more, but should never be used with other psychoactive drugs because remember, it makes the brain work better. And there's also some other things about St. John's wort you may not know, maybe. You see, it's a great healing herb too. Are you beginning to see a common thread here? For instance, it's a great kidney herb, having been used for kidney infections, urinary tract infections, and kidney stones. And a poultice made out of the crushed plant heals wounds faster, stops or prevents infections, kills fungal infections, and even cold sores. Pretty neat, huh? But wait, there's more. St. John's wort is a powerful anti-inflammatory herb and is often added to salves, balms, and creams because of this, and the healing properties. Externally, it's used for burns, cuts, scrapes, rashes, psoriasis, eczema, stings, and bites. It's long been used for female-related conditions like premenstrual syndrome and menopause, and while treating a group of menopausal women in a study, some doctors stumbled on a startling discovery. You see, unfortunately, some of these women had breast cancer, but the doctors had noticed that the St. John's wort had caused cell death in the breast cancer cells in the women with cancer. Some other doctors did an independent study and discovered that St. John's wort has the ability to A. prevent breast cancer cells from replicating, and B. cause cell apoptosis, or cell death, in breast cancer cells. I'll put the web address of the study in the comments so you can see for yourself. Another study showed that St. John's wort is also an effective antibacterial agent. In the study, it was tested against some of the worst, Staphylococcus, E. coli, and even tuberculosis. Did you know that 1.4 million people die every year from tuberculosis? That's a lot of people every day. St. John's wort shows promise for the treatment of tuberculosis, a real pandemic. It's also a common treatment for pneumonia, bronchitis, and other lung conditions. Well, I hope you liked the 3-minute video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, please, 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 please like, share, and comment. And thanks for watching. Bye.